Welcome to Tax Matters. This video blog is dedicated to helping you to legally avoid paying sales and use tax on the purchase of an aircraft, vehicle, or vessel that will be stored, used, or registered inside the state of California. Hi, I'm Tom Alston and I'm here to assist you. Did you know that you're a potential client of my firm based on any one of the following three things? It's registered in the state of California, hangared inside California, or flown inside California. The operative term is or. That means any one of these actions can make your aircraft subject to a tax assessment. To make this clear, I often tell people it really doesn't matter whether you're a resident of Texas, you take possession of a new aircraft in Kansas, and you register your aircraft to a Delaware corporation. If your aircraft enters California any time within the first 12 months after you take possession, the state of California can assess use tax on your aircraft. At the current use tax rates, that can add close to 10% to the price of your aircraft. Do the math. It's an extra $50,000 on a $500,000 purchase or $4 million on a $40 million purchase. To go one step further, if California decides you're a resident and you register your aircraft to any state other than California and you fail to file a tax return, you're subject to fraud charges. State Sales Tax Section 6485.1 imposes a penalty on any purchase of an aircraft who registers it outside of California for the purpose of evading the payment of taxes. The penalty? 50%. 50% based on the sales price of your aircraft. Yes, that's a lot. Okay, now you know that you should at least check in with me before you do anything. Take a breath, let's step back and take a look at what you want to buy. Once you've made your decision that you're going to make an aircraft purchase, you should always consult an aviation attorney about how to structure the ownership and to minimize your IRS obligations. At the same time, however, you should be planning to legally avoid California sales and use tax. Instead of constantly approaching your next purchase with a strategy based on jumping out of an aircraft and hoping the parachute opens before you hit the ground, do it the right way this time and find out what the government has in mind in terms of taxing your purchase. The only intelligent way to get the truth is to deal with an aviation expert that specifically deals with the agency that can assess tax on your aircraft. My firm, Aero and Marine Tax Professionals, is California's leading expert in aviation sales and use tax. I personally have been involved in over 1,000 cases, and I want to be your go-to guy when it involves your airplane if it will be stored, used, or registered in California. Did you know the state of California doesn't care whether you pay $90 million for a Boeing business jet or $80,000 for a used Beechcraft? The Consumer Use Tax section of the Board of Equalization has an obligation to audit 100% of all aircraft transactions. My firm will defend your right in all cases to legally avoid California sales and use tax. It is an ideal scene when you hire us before you take possession. That way, we can be certain you're fully armed with the correct forms, procedures, and strategy to guarantee a success in supporting a claim for an exemption. However, if you've already taken possession, we still may be able to help you. Contact me immediately for a free telephone consultation to determine if you still can support a claim for an exemption. My phone number, email address, and website are listed on the screen, but don't waste a minute. This is Tom Alston from Aero Marine Tax Professionals, and I'm here to assist you. Until the next edition of Tax Matters, thanks for watching.